Alright guys, thank you for clicking on this sewer scope video. There's some bubbles from a dishwasher, and right away we can see we have some small roots from something in the yard, maybe just grass roots at this point, but they still can intrude the pipe. And this was actually a pretty good one, and it didn't take very long to get to it, so that's what makes it a good little video for the website and for you guys to view. It's only about 3 minutes and 30 seconds long, so we're already a half a minute into it, so we'll be to the problem in just a second. The white stuff you can see is some scale and some of the efflorescence, the hard mineral deposits left behind from water over the years. And as we come around the corner here, you're going to see let's see, right up here we're coming up on, you can see some toilet paper at the top of the pipe up there stuck. Right up there at the top. And that's showing us that there was water levels high enough to let paper float all the way up there, which means at some point we had a backup. And that's one of the key signs as we're traveling down the pipe to show us that we had some kind of problem up ahead. And it's not but a mere second later, here we go, and boom, we came to major root intrusion. So as you can see, it kind of looks like wads of old grass, but that's what root intrusion looks like right there. And you can see some bubbles from the dishwasher or the washing machine from the clothes, and the water flowing by. So at this point, you know, this is a 30% blockage. Stuff would get by there for a while, but it also depends on, did any paper get caught on it and start to build up even quicker. Usually I'm there a month to 6 weeks before somebody moves in, and then it takes another, they say it takes a couple feet per day, and you can see we're at about 37 feet out from the one part of the pipe, and in order to have backup you got to fill all that pipe. So it could take a few weeks, it could take a month, just depending on the size of the family, if and when. It's not if this will cause a backup in raw sewage in your basement, it's really when will it do it, because eventually the roots do a full blockage of the pipe and the paper catches onto it and the raw sewage catches onto it and helps it block even faster at some point. So this is why we always recommend that you have your sewer line scope. It's an extra $150, but it's the only thing we cannot see at a home inspection, and it's one of the worst calls I get throughout the year is there's raw sewage in my basement, you know, you missed something, blah blah blah. That's not the case. We can't see sewer scopes. That's why we offer the service, and that's why it's so important that we have you do that at a home inspection, because it's the only thing we can't see. This is Steve Reckner with Reckner Certified Home Inspections. Thanks for watching this sewer scope video. Have a good day.